Hi guys, Frankie here, back with another video. And yesterday I uploaded a video on how to install manually the CM12 update on your Eureka, that is the Lollipop update. And today I'm gonna root this Eureka, which is right now on the Lollipop CM12. So how to root properly your device? First you need to go first from phone things you need to do is let's go to about phone. Right now it is clean, nothing is being here. Now go to the bin number and tap it 7 times until you show this you are enabled developer settings. After that go to developer options, then just untick this update CWM recovery, just untick this and Android debugging to be on. Yeah. So as you can see, it is here written allow USB debugging. The computer RS key means I have right now connected to my laptop. So I will take always allow this from this computer and click on OK. Now nothing need to be done. 2 things you need to do very importantly, that is update Cyanogen recovery to be off and Android debugging to be on, and just click on this also, advanced reboot. Just press it OK. Now go back, press and hold the power button, go to reboot, bootloader. OK. Now we are gonna reboot into bootloader. So as you can see now our device is in the bootloader mode. So the phone work is done. Let it be like this only. Now what you need to do is, I have downloaded some files, that is ADB plus fastboot. I will put this Eureka root files. So what you need to do is go to this file, here all the ADB fastboot and this file and recovery CWM means, which I'm gonna flash right now. Just press shift and right volume button, right click of the mouse and click on open command window here. After opening command window here, as you can see, you just need to type this command, because if you have previously rooted, so you have unlocked your bootloader, so you don't need to do it again. So let me check if my bootloader is unlocked or not. So just type the command and press enter. So as you can see, device unlocked, so it is written true, means our device is unlocked. So what do I need to do is just flash the recovery. So for flashing the recovery, again copy paste this command. I will provide both the commands in the YouTube description, so don't worry about that. Just again copy and paste, and instead of this name of your recovery, you need to write the name of CWM recovery, that is recovery C. So what do you need to do is just press R and just press tab. So what will it will show that all the recovery.img files that you have in your this folder, it will be shown up here. So right now I have 3 recoveries, so I will choose recovery. So I will tab again, and as you can see now it is showing recovery underscore CWM.img. So I will press enter. So target reported max, writing recovery, OK, finished. So our recovery is being installed on the device. Now what we need to do is just disconnect your phone from the PC. So let me put this into the recovery mode. For that, just press volume down plus volume up plus power key at the same time. and just hold till you get U logo. Now let's see if the recovery is flashed or not. It will. So guys, as you can see now, CWM recovery is flashed on our Eureka, means we have flashed a custom recovery, and now we need to root our device. For rooting our device, we need to install SuperSU. So just go to install zip. For navigation, you need volume down, volume up, and for the selection, you will do power key. So just go to install zip and install zip from SD card, then to 0, then again. Then as you can see, there is a folder which I have placed in the internal storage. You need to copy a folder, that is root.zip, into an internal memory, not folder, it is a zip file. You need to copy and paste. I will provide this also in the description, and just click on OK. Just go to yes, install root.zip, just press power key. So as you can see, installed from SD card complete, means our zip file has been completely flashed. Now just go back and just go to web cache partition and web cache. So as you can see, web cache formatting cache. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes more to clean all the cache if you have some. Right now my device is clean, means nothing is there in the device. Still it is taking 1 to 2 minutes so your device also take more than this, because you may have some apps on your device. So guys, I will be back when it will be done. So guys, as you can see, our device, we have cleared the cache, we have wiped the cache. Now just go to mountains to advanced. Here you will find wipe Dalvik cache. Just click on yes, wipe Dalvik cache. So data Dalvik cache also is wiped. Just go back. Just okay. Now here you can see reboot system. Now just go there and click on this. Yes, fix root. Just click on this. So guys, this is how we can root our Eureka on the Cyanogen OS 12. So guys, I will be back when the device will be booted up. So guys, I am back again, and the first boot took me not more than 20 to 25 minutes. It optimizes all my 122 apps which are the official one, and 3 apps which we have. Now let's see if we have the SuperSU. So guys, now you can see we have the SuperSU installed on our device. So that means we are rooted now. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video and please subscribe to my channel, that is Kamaldeep. And one more thing to know, that if your device in the PC when we are doing the commands, if your bootloader is not unlocked, means it is locked and it shows false, then you have to type the same command. Then the command that you need to type, I will give it in the description. Please follow that command. It will unlock your bootloader and will erase all the user data for unlocking the bootloader. After that, follow the same step. That means you need to flash the recovery, then you can install the SuperSU from that, then you can go with this. So, and one more thing, I have put the link of a file named as Eureka root files, from which I have done the work. So it is not necessary to have that file. If you don't want to download it, don't download it. Just go with the file named as adb plus and fastboot, this file. In this file it is for 12 to 13 MBs, and in this file you will get all the things. Like, let me show you. As you can see, this is the file ADB plus fastboot. It has everything that my Eureka root file has. Let me root.zip, which you need to paste it in your internal storage, adb.exe and fastboot so that we can access from our computer our mobile's bootloader. Then recovery cwm.img, and there you can see flash or boot recovery commands also. These are the commands that you need to flash also. So don't follow this command, follow boot recovery image. It is not necessary. Don't follow that one. How I do it, you need to follow that steps only. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you. This is Frankie signing off.